So hello guys, in this video we are going to convert Bitcoin to Dogecoin on Binance. So first of all, you'll have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that click on wallet and go for fiat and spot. After coming on this window guys, look for search option and type BTC, and after that click on convert on the first option. So now guys, after coming on this window, you will see the Bitcoin section and click on this and search for Doge, and now select it. And now guys, you just have to put your amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 3 Bitcoin, and after putting the amount, click on preview conversion button. So guys, as you can see, it will show you how much your 3 Bitcoin are worth it in Dogecoin. So guys, if you have the sufficient funds, then you can click on this button and it will convert your BTC into Dogecoin. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.